how to make tree in Little Alchemy 2. If you want to make tree in Little Alchemy 2 with 4 basic elements, first we'll combine water and water to create a puddle, puddle and puddle to create a pond. We'll combine pond and pond to create a lake. We will combine lake and lake to create a sea. We will add earth and sea to create a primordial soup. We will combine fire and fire to create energy. We'll combine energy and primordial soup to create life. Now once we've created life, we will go ahead and then combine earth and we will combine water to basically create mud. And once we've combined that, we will go ahead and then add again earth and fire to create lava. Once we've created lava, add air to lava to create a stone right there. Once we've created the stone, we will go ahead and then basically add mud to this stone right here to make it a clay. Once we've added clay, we will add life over here to add and make a human. Once we've created human, we will leave this aside. So we will bring back earth and earth to create a land right here. Once we've created land, we will add life to land and create an animal and soil element. So which we will leave the animal element aside and we will add life to this soil again and it will make a plant. And once we've made a plant, we will go ahead and then basically add human to plant to make a farmer. Once we've created farmer, combine farmer and farmer to basically create an idea. And we will go ahead and then add human to this idea to create a philosophy. Once we've added philosophy, we will get it back again. Now we will combine land and basically land again. So land and land to create a continent. We'll combine continent and continent to create a planet. We will combine planet and planet to create a solar system. We will combine solar system and solar system to basically create a galaxy. We will combine galaxy to galaxy to create a galaxy cluster to galaxy cluster to create a universe. Now once we've created a universe, what we will do is we will simply go ahead and then look for philosophy and add philosophy and universe to create big. Once we have created big, we will go ahead and then just add plant to this big, and then just like that we have our tree. This way you'll be able to make tree in Little Alchemy 2. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.